Hey there friends, I am so excited to introduce you to the January 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I'm so excited to be starting a brand new year with Elle Studio products, and if you guys have a subscription, you're gonna love what you find this month too. First off, let's take a look at the monthly kit. Okay, let's take a look at this awesome kit. First, I'm gonna find the die cut sheets for you. I always love the January kit because not only does it kind of introduce a new year, it also has some things for you to get ready for February too. So you'll see some things about love, adore you here. There's an EXO thing here, kiss kiss. But then it's usually just an anything goes kind of kit too. I really love the colors this month. There's kind of a rainbow of colors. I love this coral color. I love the You Are One of a Kind. There's the Hello Fresh Start. That could be great in a planner if you're a planner gal or guy. There's a tag here. So there's lots of different hues, feminine, masculine, that all go together. I really love this kind of conversation heart 4x6 card. There's another gorgeous patterned 4x6 card. It's almost like a snowflake. And then the final 4x6 is here. And it says, "This is love." Super fun. Okay, so there's the die cuts and the 4x6s. Let's take a look at the 3x4s. If I can get my hands on them here. This one says, "Fill every day with love, laughter, and kindness." Watching, reading, listening. Favorite photograph, important notes. So you can, crop a photograph there to a square and then put your journaling below. The teal with hearts. Trying my best to. That's a great thing for goals for the new year. Remember this. Again, favorite color I think of this kit. This is one of my favorite stories. Hearts. Oh, I like that one. Simple and really pretty. Oh, there's that pattern again in blue. I really love that. There's a blue with check boxes, which is really fun because you can, put a to-do list on there or a goal list. Celebrate, that's a great one. Teal with lines. I always love these ones because you can list, you can stamp your numbers here on the side and list some things. Blue hearts. Oh, that's a great one for an intro page to your pocket page album. Love that. You, me, and us. So that's cool. Very cool. And then there's one that has all of the colors of the kit this month. So really excited about using that kit in my album. Let's take a look at the coordinating add-ons. First up, we have the January labels, and they coordinate with the kit colors, and I really love this ones because they have the lines with the 3 hearts. Really fun. This sticker sheet is called the True Love Stickers, and it might be one of my favorite products this month just because I love this row of colorful hearts, and I really love these circular hearts too. So you have labels up here at the top, you have these washi tape strips here, and some phrase stickers down at the bottom. Really fun. We also have a new Jane tile alphabet sticker in the house, and this one has a black background with white letters. So that's really fun. You get so many alphabet stickers in this pack, and there's also, colons, apostrophes, quotation marks, plus signs. I mean, there's just so many periods. So some of the tile alphabet stickers don't come with those, but ours do. We also have some chipboard stickers this month. We have 2 sets for you guys. We have the chipboard label stickers. So you have some blank labels which you can stamp in because they're a really nice matte finish, so you don't have to worry about your ink smearing on them. And we also have ones that have different phrases in them. I like the Remember This Awesome Moment, Photos Plus Stories, Love Your Big Heart, the smile that says it all. So really great label sticker set this month. We also have the Love You Chipboard Stickers. So these have the black words and phrases on these banners, and then they have the big words and phrases here. And they're in neutrals, which is cool because on the white ones, you can color those in. You can use your ink, your blender brush. You can use Sharpie markers to color those in any color you wish. So really great set to use this month, the Love You Chipboard Stickers. Let's go to the Puffies, and since we're still looking at stickers, let's look at the Puffy alphabet stickers. These are dark pink. So we have red, we have dark red, we have burgundy, and now we have dark pink. So this is a great one to add to the mix, and it will match with that dark pink color in the kit and add-ons. We also have the Puffy heart stickers. These are really gorgeous this month. I really love that some of them have little tiny polka dots and some of them have stripes on them. Some of them are half and half, like tone on tone. Just a really pretty set of Puffy heart stickers this month. Okay, let's move on to the Acetate Hearts. I always love the acetate. You get so much in a package, you guys. If you want a product that gives you a big bang for your buck, this is one. My favorite ones are the circles with the hearts in the middle, because I think those are just so super fun. But I mean, look at all these gorgeous colors, and you just get so many in a pack. I challenge somebody to use all of these, but I certainly have not. But these are the heart acetate stickers. Next up, we have some wood veneer. This is the Love You wood veneer. And I always love when there's an outline, because what I always want to do is add some color or some paint to the inside. So these are a favorite of mine, and this one is definitely going to get used on a title. Next up, we have the All My Heart wood veneers. So you have phrases, you have the circles, the XO, and the hearts. Lots of different ones in the set. Okay, now we have a brand new paper stack. It's called XOXO. Feeling the love this month, you guys. There's that gorgeous pattern that I love, like the snowflake pattern. There's the black and white hearts. And these are single-sided, but you get two in each pack, two patterns in each pack. You have a ledger. There's those awesome check boxes over there. There's the teal XOXO. There's that pretty wintry stripe. There's an awesome dotted diamond pattern, which I also love. A rainbow stripe. This one says, I heart you, cutie pie, true love, the best, you and me. So lots of different phrases here. There is this plaid, hearts, a navy dot, which I really like, and this geometric teal. So lots and lots of different patterns here. Some of them bold, some of them quite neutral, but all of them extremely usable on your products, and they will coordinate with not only the January kit, but the February kit as well. So just a hint, if you think you're going to use it, I would get two. Okay, let's check out the stamps. And this is the Hugs and Kisses stamp. And what I love about this is this cute little postage stamp with the postage lines here. All of these phrases on the side are pretty awesome. Remember that 3x4 tag that had the lines with the hearts? Well, you can do that same thing on your layout. Sending you all my hugs and kisses, XOXO. There's a label with 3 hearts. I really like the This Is Love. That's really cute. So an outline heart, a solid heart, little tiny hearts. There's a lot on this set, you guys. Okay, so this is an exciting thing. If you are a subscriber, to kick off the year, you get a free gift. And this is the monthly and daily tab stamp, and this is the free subscriber gift for the month of January. So if you're not a subscriber and you've kind of been on the fence, if you subscribe today, after you watch this video, just click the link in my video notes to subscribe, and you will get this stamp. How awesome is that? So you don't have to do anything else, you just become a subscriber. So there's an awesome label here. There's also a die that matches this, which I will link up to in the video notes. You have the days of the week, you have the months of the year, the number symbol there, and all of the numbers. How awesome is that? So that's a really handy stamp to have. If you like to get some continuity in your albums, you can use this stamp throughout the year and it will look the same on all of your pages. So I really love that. Thanks so much for starting the new year right with me, you guys, and watching this Elle Studio January 2021 kit and add-on unboxing. I'm really excited to start a brand new year with Elle Studio. There are lots of great things in store, you guys. If you've been thinking about a subscription, be sure to jump on that so you can get your free stamp, and click the link in my video notes to find all of these brand new products in the shop today. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more unboxing and process videos, and happy creating in 2021, you guys.